Introducing the Lorex 4K Security Camera System. This complete system includes a Fusion 8-channel 3TB NVR and 4 Ultra HD IP wired POE metal security cameras. With an 8 megapixels image sensor, you can expect superior image quality. Our cameras come with an active deterrence feature that sets them apart from the rest. Each camera is equipped with a motion-activated LED warning light and a remote-triggered siren, providing an added level of security. But that's not all. Our Smart Motion Detection Plus feature allows you to choose between face detection or person and vehicle detection. This way, you'll receive notifications that matter to you the most. Worried about low-light situations? Don't be. Our Color Night Vision feature ensures that you get full-color video even in low-light settings. And in dark nighttime conditions, the infrared LEDs deliver crisp black and white video up to 150 feet. We also have your safeguard technology covered. With this unique feature, you can set up to 3 missing areas and 1 left behind area. This means you'll be instantly notified if items are removed from a designated area or if something is added. Please keep in mind that this product is designed for use in the US, so international customers may need an adapter or converter for compatibility. Enhance your security and peace of mind with the Lorex 4K Security Camera System. Click on the link in the description to get yours now.